Every single night, your body undergoes a quiet transformation that completely rebuilds your brain, your skin, and entire immune system. You think sleep is just resting your tired muscles, but your face is actually undergoing a massive microscopic cellular overhaul. In fact, skipping just 2 hours of sleep can make you look dramatically older than your actual biological age today. Your skin cells literally fight off daily damage while you are unconscious and dreaming about your weird high school exams. Without this critical recovery window, your face begins to accumulate micro damages that eventually lead to permanent wrinkles and skin sag. Did you know your blood vessels actually expand at night to deliver fresh nutrients directly to your outermost skin layers? This is not a luxury spa treatment. It is a vital biological imperative designed to keep your biological body alive. Let us dive deep into the fascinating molecular secrets of what science officially calls the legendary beauty sleep phenomenon today. During deep sleep, your pituitary gland releases a massive surge of human growth hormone to repair broken skin cells now. Think of growth hormone as a tiny construction crew that patches up the physical wear and tear of daily life. This hormone is absolutely essential for producing collagen, the natural springy glue that keeps your skin looking young and fresh. Without collagen, your skin loses its structural integrity and begins to sag like a very sad, deflated old birthday balloon. Simultaneously, your brain actively decreases the level of cortisol, which is your body's main stress-inducing organic chemical messenger right now. High cortisol levels destroy collagen, leading to rapid skin thinning and the premature formation of ugly, deep facial lines today. So, lower stress hormones at night directly translate into stronger, smoother, and healthier skin cells when you finally wake up. Meanwhile, your body increases blood flow to the skin, creating a healthy, natural, and highly vibrant beauty morning glow effect. This extra blood flow delivers oxygen and vital nutrients while removing harmful metabolic wastes from your outermost physical skin layers. If your sleep is cut short, your body cannot complete this crucial circulation cycle, leaving you looking pale and gray. Cellular renewal rates actually double during the night, peaking between the hours of 11 and 2 in the dark morning. It is a highly coordinated biological dance that relies entirely on you being completely knocked out flat in your bed. Your body also regulates hydration levels, balancing water distribution so your skin stays plump and perfectly moisturized all day long. Poor sleep disrupts this critical fluid balance, leading to fluid accumulation under eyes, causing those ugly, dark, puffy facial circles. Those puffy bags under your eyes are literally pools of stagnant fluid that your body failed to drain properly tonight. Your body also repairs micro tears in your muscles and tissues, ensuring your entire physical form remains strong, active, and functional. So, beauty sleep is actually a highly complex, full-body metabolic restoration project disguised as simple, quiet, peaceful, and daily rest. But what happens if you repeatedly ignore this vital cycle and sleep for only 5 hours every single human night?
The consequences are far worse than just feeling a little tired and needing a giant morning cup of hot coffee.
Your body immediately enters a chronic emergency, pumping out massive amounts of adrenaline and highly harmful biological stress chemicals today. These elevated stress hormones slowly starve your skin cells of vital nutrients by constricting blood vessels in your tired face. Your skin barrier becomes weak, dry, and highly susceptible to environmental toxins, dirt, and damaging ultraviolet solar sun radiations. This is where things get really bad, because your skin literally loses its ultimate ability to heal itself from cuts. A weakened skin barrier allows moisture to escape rapidly, leaving your face dry, flaky, irritated, and extremely highly sensitive today. This dehydration triggers your sebaceous glands to overproduce oil, leading to sudden, painful, and highly frustrating clinical adult acne breakouts. You are now trapped in a vicious cycle of dry, oily, irritated, and rapidly aging skin that looks absolutely terrible. Most people never notice this happening until the damage is already done and the wrinkles are permanently set in place. Your immune system also takes a massive hit, reducing your body's biological ability to fight off simple, everyday skin infections. Chronic sleep deprivation can even trigger painful inflammatory conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and severe, itchy, red organic skin health rashes. Your hair follicles also suffer from poor circulation, which can lead to noticeable thinning and increased daily biological hair loss. Your nails become extremely brittle and slow-growing, cracking at pressure because vital nutrients are constantly redirected to other vital organs. Your brain starts to accumulate toxic waste proteins because the glymphatic system only cleans your brain during deep night sleep. This toxic buildup causes severe brain fog, memory issues, and a dramatic decline in your daily key cognitive motor skills. You are literally poisoning your own brain by refusing to give it the deep, restorative rest it so desperately needs. Your metabolism slows down significantly, making you crave highly processed, sugary foods that cause even more massive internal skin damage. These sugars attach to collagen fibers through a process called glycation, making them stiff, brittle, and highly fragile skin structures. The resulting compounds are called advanced glycation end products, which literally accelerate the physical aging process of your outer skin tissues. Here is a mind-blowing fact that will make you rethink your entire late-night television and blue smartphone screen habits tonight. Your skin can actually sense blue light from your phone screen and mistake it for bright, sunny, active daytime hours. This completely halts the production of melatonin, the powerful hormone that tells your cells it is time to repair tonight. Your skin cells literally keep fighting imaginary sun damage in the night, instead of repairing themselves in your warm bed. This means your expensive night creams are completely useless if you are staring at a bright screen late in bed. Another shocking study revealed that sleep-deprived individuals are perceived as significantly less attractive and healthy by other human beings online. Your face literally communicates your cellular exhaustion to the world, triggering subconscious social avoidance behavior from those standing around you. Your skin's healing rate drops by over 50% when you lose just a few hours of precious sleep tonight. This is because your body prioritizes repairing your heart and lungs over keeping your face looking pretty, fresh, and youthful. Your face is the very last priority for nutrient distribution when your body is running on emergency daily fuel reserves. In fact, your skin uses more energy for cellular division at night than it does during the entire bright day. This nighttime energy spike is when your body creates fresh, new, baby-soft skin cells to replace old, dead ones daily. Sleeping on your stomach or side can physically compress your face, causing deep, mechanical wrinkles over very long time periods. These sleep lines eventually become permanent because your depleted collagen levels can no longer bounce back from physical pressure. Your pillowcase is also a breeding ground for bacteria, dead skin cells, and oily sebum that completely ruin nightly repair. A single night of poor sleep can reduce skin elasticity by a measurable and highly alarming 10% today overall. Your body's core temperature actually drops during sleep, redirecting metabolic heat outward to facilitate this critical physical skin tissue repair. This temperature drop is why a cool room is absolutely essential for achieving high-quality, deep, and highly restorative night sleep. Your skin's pH levels also change at night, becoming more acidic to help rebuild the natural protective skin lipid barrier. It is a highly sophisticated, self-regulating biological ecosystem that requires zero manual effort from you except for simply staying asleep. Fortunately, you can easily reverse this damage and maximize your body's natural beauty sleep recovery cycles, starting right here tonight. First, scientists highly recommend turning off all electronic screens at least 1 full hour before going to sleep in bed. This simple action allows your brain to naturally release melatonin, initiating the cellular repair phase on time early tonight now. Second, keep your bedroom cool, ideally between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit, to promote much deeper, highly restful physical sleep. This cool temperature matches your body's natural circadian rhythm, allowing for much faster, highly efficient biological cellular tissue repair today. Third, try sleeping on your back to prevent physical friction and mechanical compression lines on your highly delicate facial skin. You can also switch to a silk or satin pillowcase to dramatically reduce friction and prevent daily facial hair breakage. Fourth, establish a highly consistent sleep schedule by waking up and sleeping at the exact same daily times every day. This trains your body's internal biological clock, maximizing the release of human growth hormone during your deep nightly rest cycle. Fifth, hydrate your body throughout the day. but limit water intake right before bed to prevent morning puffy eye bags. Applying a thick, nourishing moisturizer before sleep can lock in vital hydration and support your skin's natural protective lipid barrier. Avoid eating large, heavy, or highly sugary meals close to bedtime to prevent glycation and severe nighttime deep sleep disruption. Avoid drinking alcohol before bed because it completely destroys your rapid eye movement sleep, ruining your physical recovery process tonight. Practice deep breathing or meditation to lower your evening cortisol levels before your head even hits the soft bedroom pillow. These simple, scientifically proven adjustments will dramatically transform your health, your energy, and your overall glowing outer physical body appearance. Your body is a highly complex machine that requires proper maintenance, care, and deep rest to function beautifully every day. The next time you think about staying up late to watch another online video, remember your poor, tired skin cells. They are waiting for you to close your eyes so they can start their vital nightly physical skin reconstruction work. Ignoring your biological need for sleep is a direct path to premature aging, chronic exhaustion, and extremely low daily energy. Invest in your sleep health because it is the most effective and cheapest daily beauty treatment in the entire world. No expensive serum or cosmetic procedure can ever replace the profound physical healing power of a good night's deep rest. Your body knows exactly what to do. You just need to turn off the bedroom lights and let it work. If you found this scientific breakdown highly valuable, please smash the like button and subscribe for more smart science insights. Share this video with a friend who constantly stays up too late staring at their bright glowing blue smartphone screen. And remember, tonight your skin will try to save you again, but only if you actually go to deep sleep.